Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My name is Muhammad Shoaib. Welcome back. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to configure set and reset button in the plant SCADA. These buttons are commonly used in the automation to turn a process on with one button and off with another button. Set and reset button is a pair of buttons used in SCADA and HMI system to control the binary on-off operation. Set button turns a process or device on and keep it on until the reset button is given or not pressed. Reset button turns the process or device off and keep it off until set again. So here in this tutorial video, we will see how we can configure these two buttons, set and reset button. If you press the set button, our pump will start and it will continue run until the reset button is not pressed. Once the reset button is pressed, then it will become off. So it means once we press the set button, it write value 1 in the particular variable or register, and once we press reset button, then this write the 0 value. So let's see how we can configure set and reset button in the plant SCADA. So we'll use the same project that we already created in our previous tutorial. Select the project and then launch the graphic builder. Then open the overview page. Then we'll take the button and just drag and drop it here. So I can write the name set button. Press OK and I will just reset the width. Okay, now I will take the variable. Through that we are showing the motor run status. Same variable I will use just for the demonstration purpose, and I will write the value 1. So it means once I will press the button, it will write 1 value, and I will just copy and paste the same button, and I will rename the reset button, and come here the input, and I will write the value 0. So it's mean once this button is pressed, it will write 0 value or move 0 value inside this tag. So just I will align it properly. Okay, and little bit up. Okay, so now I will save it and I will close, and I will compile the button and I will run the application. Click OK. So once we now press the set button, it will turn on that variable and it will continue. The value will be continue true until I will not press the reset button. So once I press the reset button, the 0 value will move, and once I press the set button, 1 value will be moved, and it will continue, pump will continue run until I will not press the reset button. So Alhamdulillah, in this tutorial we will learn how we can configure set and reset button in the plant SCADA. Thanks for watching this video.